Only smart people know the correct use of hangers. 1. Pinch the two sides of the hanger and bend it. Used to hang pants not easy to slip. 2. The bottom of the hanger inward broken into 3 triangles can be used to organize the husband's belt. 3. Break the hanger into a wave shape. No longer afraid of pot lids, have no place to put. 4. The hanger ends bent inward, and then pull the hanger can be set on the garbage bag. A simple trash can is done. 5. Cut off the bottom edge of the hanger and then sew inward bending the center into the roll of paper after hanging in the bathroom. Very practical. 6. Clothes hanging on the hanger will always slide off. Just need to put rubber bands on both ends of the hanger. Clothes will not slide off. 7. The hanger pinched tightly inward bend, and then break the ends of the bend. The middle of the hanger hooked hooks is a practical cell phone bracket. 8. The hanger ends inward bending, and then the 2 hangers fixed with a tie. A simple shoe rack on a good. Use it to put shoes. Neat and beautiful. 9. The middle of the hanger folded, and then break a little outward, so that hanging on the wall can organize more hangers. 10. Will be 2 hangers together, and then use the tie to fix the ends, and then pull the hangers like this from the center to the sides so that drying clothes dry fast. Have you learned these clever and practical life hacks?